Nope, I got him.
Fishing. Got one. Fish on.
Here. Come reel it. Come on.
Fish on. Hell yeah, dude. We doubled.
Doubled. Oh, look at this shit. Here, bud.
He got one too. Hell yeah. Get a close up on it.
Colin, just keep on watching your pole. They're biting, buddy.
He got one too. Fishing 2015.
Don't drop that camera.
Yeah, I am.
I bet you the film hasn't been on that whole time. Unless you had one. Did you have one, Terry? No, I didn't turn it on.
I just turned it on. Nice fish. Hell yeah. First fish of the year, Coat.
Yeah, and I bet you didn't turn it on for nothing.
Here, you want me to take it out? Here you go. Shit! That's a nice one, dude. About the size of the one I got mounted. Not bigger.
Is it taping?
Yeah.
Doubled up. Oh yeah, beast in it. What you got over there? Rainbow?
Yeah.
Yep.
You want me to stop recording?
Get one more. Did you get Cody's good cut? Hold them here together. Dang, he's bigger. It's a nice one, dude.
Hell yeah, it is.
Alright, shut her off.
Brooksboys outdoors.